Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you want to enable voice chat in your Roblox mobile. So how you can do this, let's get started. First open Roblox on your mobile and then click on this more option and then select settings. After opening settings, click on account info and go over to account info. Here just drop down and then here you'll find continue with selfie. Click on this and click on continue and then click on again continue. After this, click on allow and then it will walk you through some steps to verify your age. It will scan your face, so make sure you do that. After this, once it's done, just go over to privacy and content restrictions and then go over to experience chat and then turn this on. After this, go over to your game and you'll see that your voice chat has been enabled. So yes, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.